Alright, first shot at doing a Motovlog. Heading out now. It's a cloudy day. It's not raining though. Boy, it's a good day. Alright. Leaving Attleboro now. That's Attleboro, Massachusetts, if you're not from here. And we're going to go hop on Route 95 to 295 for a little bit. Get that out of the way early, just to get down into the good riding area down in more of the central Rhode Island area. More rural. Get away from the crowds. I just got off the highway off of Route 295 in Rhode Island. Here we are in scenic Smithfield, Rhode Island. Alright, this part's not very scenic. But let's see, I am riding a 2022 Honda Goldwing non-tour model. DCT, it's the automatic, dual clutch automatic. Look, man, no clutch. And it's a great bike. It's a fun bike to ride. I'll fill you in a little bit more on it during the day. But yeah, we're going to head down into south central Rhode Island. And then loop back up through Connecticut a little bit. And hopefully it doesn't rain on it, because it's pretty cloudy. Horsies! I don't know if you can see it in my mirror, but I have the unpickable ledge behind me. A cop just did a U-turn right behind me, so that always makes me nervous, but it looks like he's turning here at this light, so. Phew! Dodged one there. That always makes you nervous when you see them pull over when they're going the other way and do a U-turn real fast. But I guess he just needed to go the other way, and it wasn't coming after me, thankfully. This is Situate, Rhode Island. It's a cool little old church. It's a nice little area, Rhode Island, kind of central Rhode Island. And we're going to be heading down towards the Situate Reservoir and going through that area. It's a nice area, Rhode Island. Pretty much if you get away from Providence, most areas of Rhode Island and decent riding. So that's where we head. Central Rhode Island, Southern Rhode Island, Eastern Connecticut. So this is Route 116 in Rhode Island. It's the road we use a lot when we're riding down this area. It's when there's actually foliage, it's a nice kind of tree-lined, tree-canopied road. It's usually pretty lightly traveled by other people, so it's a good area. Once again, another road that I usually hit when I'm down in this area. There's another section north of here where you could ride right through the middle of the reservoir. It's also pretty cool. But yeah. This is the first time that you're getting out into rural Rhode Island. This is Victory Highway, Victory, in Rhode Island, somewhere. I don't know what town I'm in. Sort of near Route 102, I guess. But yeah, Victory Highway. Always meant more to me when I actually rode a Victory. Now it's just another highway. Oh well. Yard sale. It's yard sale season. See a lot of yard sales and a lot of people parking like idiots for yard sales. It actually is 102. Wait a minute. No, it's Victory Highway. I didn't realize they were the same road. Go figure. Damn, they got some big windmills down here. There's a whole bunch of those things down in this area. They are big. In West Greenwich, Rhode Island right now. And it's an area we come to occasionally when we're out riding. There's a restaurant right over here on the left called Dan's Place. Right there. That is a pretty cool place. It's actually a pretty well-known place for motorcycle guys. And they have a cool BMX track right there. This is Rhode Island, Route 165, Arcadia State Park, or what it is. We've taken the adventure bikes in here once or twice. Not really good for the Goldwing today. Wrong bike for the job. 155 runs east-west. Kind of like, well, it's probably southern Rhode Island, I guess this would be. Runs east-west. We're heading west now. Heading directly towards Connecticut. About 10 miles. Get to Connecticut, we're going to bang a right, start heading north, going up Route 49 through some nice farmland areas over by Patchogue State Forest, which is in Connecticut. But we've also ridden adventure bikes, but once again, not today. Some brave soul on a jet ski. Wow. That's, it's only 56 degrees out. And that water's still got to be in the 40s for sure. Got to be real bored to do that. I say that, but I've seen 0 other motorcycles out since I've been out for the last hour and a half. I haven't seen a single one, but jet skiing is another level of cold in this kind of weather. This is the first 2 bikes of the day, and they're dual sports, or they're just dirt bikes. We're in between 2 state forests here, so this is Route 49 in Connecticut. Very rural area. Those are the first 2 boot bikes I've seen today. They're off-road dudes. Yeah, and here's the second guy. Well, I guess that would be the third guy. They must be waking up at 11:30. I guess everybody was waiting for 57 degrees to head out. Hollow Road. That's a cool ass name for a road. Getting up into the farmland areas here on Route 49. This is eastern Connecticut. Gets real stinky here in the summer, let me tell you. Real stinky. But great riding road. If I'm going to see a lot of bikes on any road, it'll be this one. They're always out here, any time of year. Decent view, looking back into Rhode Island, looking east. Definitely a bonus for the colder weather. These fogs don't stick as bad. Wind is killer though. There's a lot of wind up here today. That barn needs some help. Here we are in scenic Moosop, Connecticut. And our most important stop of the morning, which is, of course, Dunkin' Donuts.
I wouldn't normally take a dump on the floor, but I am a stickler for the rules.
To my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, hearts full of calluses, but we know calculus. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
same face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming.